Okay, everybody. I think we're ready. Okay. And I believe the last problem that we did. Oh, it just jumped on me again. Hold on a second. Okay, we'll give this a try. And I think that this is the last problem we did. Correct? It's the last problem we did. Okay. So on Friday we did some graphs here. Okay. And we talked about that a linear relationship is a graph where the graph is a straight line, right? And that was our reasoning for this. Okay, so I'm going to show you some relationships in some different formats, and you're going to try to determine which one's the linear relationship or the nonlinear relationship. Okay, and you're just going to use the answer to the question pinned to you. Okay, at the top, asked of you. So on this one, right, which table shows a linear relationship? Okay, which table shows a linear relationship? All right, study the tables. Okay, get a picture of them in your notes if you need to, and actually you need to, and then answer the question, and we'll go from there. And you might want to revisit your notes from before because this work has been done before. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'll come around and see how you're doing. Group, so you guys had answers ready. More time. What's your next read? Okay, and confirm your answers. Okay, on your thumb, again, A is thumbs up, B is thumbs down. Which table shows a linear relationship? Okay. All right, everybody has their thumbs down. Addie, why is B the linear relationship?
Because when you look at it, the x goes from 1
Okay, so the rate of change is exactly. All you have to tell me on your assessment, okay? Okay, table B is the linear relationship because the rate of change is constant. That's it. A is not, the rate of change is not constant. That's all I have to have. We're going to keep these explanations very, very generic, okay? Because we don't need to be spending a lot of time getting real fancy with these. All right? Okay, so we're going to say that table B is the linear one. And the reason why we're going to do that is you're adding 2 there, 2 there, 2 there, and 2 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. So you're changing y over you're changing x, okay, is always 2 over 1. That's constant, all right? On table A, we jump from there to there, that's a change in 1. We jump from here to here, that's a change in 2. That's not constant, okay? So table B is linear because the rate of change is constant. Everybody okay with that? That's all we have to say, all right? That's it. Okay, ready to do the next one? All right, let's take a look at the next set of tables here, and we'll go from there. Now, on this one, we're looking at the table that shows the non-linear relationship. And just to point out something here real fast, this first entry right here is -4. It's not -9, okay? So I'm going to change that right now. So it's -4 in table B, okay, for the first y value, okay? So determine which one is the non-linear relationship this time, okay? The non-linear relationship. Again, have a reason. Okay. All right, guys, looking good. Good. Go ahead and supply your reasoning too, if you know what it is. I'm not going to make any. We're not going to make it difficult to explain these. You guys are share your roommates? Go for it. Share, share, share. Okay. I like the nonverbal communication. All right, you guys ready to show me your answers? On your thumb, is it A that is nonlinear or is it B that is nonlinear? Show me on your thumb, please. Thumbs up is correct. Nice job. Because the rate of change is what, everybody? Very good. Not constant. Okay, so let's get this on our notes, and then we're going to have 2 more problems, and we're done. Okay? 2 more problems, and we are all finished. So, let's start with B first. So if I go this way with it, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 2, 2 plus 2. That one's constant, right? So change of y over change of x equals 2 over 1. Over here, though, we're subtracting 3, and then we're subtracting 1. That one's the one that is not constant. Very good. So A is nonlinear. Okay? Are you okay with that? Incidentally, I forgot to tell you up here. I know I'm forgetting to tell you something. Go back real quickly. The first table up here, table A, that's not constant. That's nonlinear. It's an exponential function. Okay, so that's one where your variable becomes your exponent, and you're going to actually get introduced to those next year in Algebra 1. So there's some fun times ahead for you to think about. Okay, also, A on this one is what we call a quadratic. Okay, its graph is a curve or a parabola, and that one's going to be something else you're going to study next year in Algebra 1. So we have some really cool things we're looking forward to here. Okay, and so things in Algebra 1 next year at the high school that you're going to be excited about to encounter. All right, we got one more format. We're going to look at some equations now. Okay, so when this comes up, there you go. Which equation below shows a linear relationship? A linear relationship. Okay. If you need to discuss this with group mates, you can discuss it with group mates. Okay. Which equation below shows a linear relationship? One of them does, one of them does not. Okay. How's it going, guys? No, it's 4 to the x power plus 3. Okay, everybody ready to answer for me? Show me a thumb. A or B? Okay. I see a lot of thumbs down. Very good. B is the linear equation. Can anybody explain to me why B is the linear equation? Okay. Abby, what? Yes. Okay. And we can also say B is written in what form? Y equals what, class? M. What slope-intercept form? Y equals M. Mx plus B. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yep. We need to know that form. Okay. It's going to be very helpful when you're trying to explain this. Okay. You can say that equation A has an exponent for a variable, that's fine also. I'll accept that. Okay. The response I'm going to put here on the notes is that, okay, the equation has the form y equals mx plus b. Okay? And again, we're looking for something simple here. Okay? Something simple. All right, one more question for you. All right. One more. You guys ready? Last one. Which one is the nonlinear relationship? We're going to check each other, make sure you guys are on the same page. I think this is pretty straightforward. Okay? Good. All right, show me your thumb, please. Okay? I see lots of thumbs down for B. Adam, why is B nonlinear? It's exactly right. It has an exponent. Very good. Okay? That's a quadratic equation. All right? We're going to study those next year. Excellent. So, B is nonlinear because the equation does not have what form? Exactly. Y equals mx plus b. Or as Adam said, x has an exponent. Now, x has an exponent on linear equations too. The exponent's 1. That's why you don't see it. Okay? We only write exponents on variables or terms when they're larger than 1 or smaller. Okay? But the reason why the exponent's higher than 1 in equation B is why it's not linear. Okay? Nice job, everybody. We're going to conclude, okay? And we'll be done with our notes. So I'm going to stop the recording.